Alright, we got the Bentley remote start all finished up. Give you a quick demo. On the factory key, we're going to hit the lock button 3 times. So just tap 1, 2, 3. Give it a few seconds to turn on all the electronics. And she'll fire up. There she goes. So the car's going to stay locked during remote start. It's going to run for 15 minutes. Now when you guys are ready to come out, during remote start mode, you will have to hit the unlock button to get in. When it's not remote started, your touch sensor pad will still work on the door. During remote start, that does not work for security reasons. So basically what you're going to do is hit the unlock button. It starts a 45-second timer to get in and do secure takeover. So what that means is you're just going to get in, shut the door, and as long as you have your key with you, you're just going to press and release the brake pedal, which now puts it into key mode, and you can put it into drive or reverse and drive away.